everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Craftessa, and I am Vanessa. For today's DIY, we're going to make this gorgeous glam tray using some scrapbook paper, a tray from the Dollar Tree, and some clay. So let's get crafting. So I'm using some baking clay. You can find this at Michael's, you can find it at any craft supply store. It's polymer clay, and once you have molded it, you put it in the oven, depending on the piece or the weight of the clay, and you bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to start making some leaves. I have a leaf from some artificial flowers, and I have my little roller that I use for clay, and I'm just going to make the indentation into the clay and then just cut it out and shape it. So now that I made the first leaf, I still have to do more, but I'm going to do branches for this tray. I've seen some online that have branches and leaves on the trays as handles, so I want to try and copy that or do something similar. So I'm just going to roll out something that looks like a branch with the clay, and then I'm going to try and mold it on the tray and do some indentations on it so it looks like it's an actual branch. So these are my finished pieces. I made some branches, I made some leaves, I made the indentations on the branches, and now I'm ready to put them in the oven. So I'm going to put them in the oven for about 15 minutes and at about 250 degrees, and I'm going to keep an eye on them so they don't burn because the clay will burn. So all the pieces are now hard because they were baked for about 15 minutes. They're ready to go. I let them cool off. So now I'm going to give them some liquid gold leafing to give it obviously that gold metallic look. I'm going to paint each piece by hand. I could spray paint it, but it is quite cold outside and I'm not going to go spray paint. And I do like how this gold liquid leaf looks. So I'm just going to take each piece and give them a coat or two of the gold liquid leaf. So while the painted piece is dry, I'm going to take a piece of scrap paper that I had. I've done another tray in the same scrap paper and I had some left over and I love this pattern. So I'm just going to measure the bottom of the tray so I can get something as close to the interior of the tray. I will have to trim once I do my first cut, but that's okay, it's pretty easy. So now I'm going to place the piece of scrapbook paper right on top of the tray. I'm not going to glue it on because just in case later I might want to change it out depending on where in my home I place the tray. This way I can give it different looks with different types of scrapbooking paper. So I'm just going to lay it flat on the tray and that's it. No glue or nothing. Ready to go. So now that the pieces are dry after I painted them, I'm going to hot glue them onto the tray. I already tried a layout to see how I want them to look. So I'm going to hot glue each piece individually on top of the other to make it, one, a layered look and to make it look like the leaves are coming out of the branches. So let's hot glue them. And we are done. I love the way it looks. Now I'm just going to place the piece of scrapbook paper on it again after I finished hot gluing the clay pieces on the tray. And we are ready to display it somewhere. So let's see where I place it. Thanks for watching.